who got up across London this morning while we were still asleep, and they went to work while it was still dark, and they got on with jobs that are keeping our city moving, and keeping it clean, and keeping it wonderful, and making it a fantastic and attractive place to live in and invest in, and making it a fantastic place for the rest of us. And those people, millions of them, are collectively spinning the great flywheel of the London economy that drives the rest of the country. And when we join with London citizens, and we all get together to call for those people to be paid to be able to live in London and to be able to see their families in the way that they deserve, within a reasonable distance of their place of work. That is not just because we're moved by a spirit of social justice or compassion. Those are very good motives, by the way. I don't exclude those as a fact, right? There's not just the reasons why we support this fantastic campaign. I support this because it is pure economic common sense. It is the right thing for this city, it's the right thing for our people. And I don't happen to believe that we will succeed if we make it compulsory, but every year, we watch our campaign, we watch the London Citizens campaign growing in momentum, in understanding, in appreciation by business and other institutions, and growing in public support. And I'm proud to say that since 2005, London employers of all kinds have put £235 million extra into the pockets of the families in our city who need it most, the poorest and most hardworking families in our city. And I know, and they know, the employers know, that they have simultaneously helped their businesses, haven't they? With lower overheads, higher morale, better health outcomes for their employees, and higher productivity. That is why the London living wage makes sense. That is why I believe it is win-win for our city. I just want to thank absolutely everybody who has played a part in driving this forward. Our principal partners, who so far haven't been mentioned, we should plug them. Save the Children, KPMG, Linklaters, Resolution Foundation, Queen Mary University, Aviva, Trust for London. Who's Trust for London? Thank you very much. Thank you, and a particular thank you, of course, to everybody at London Citizens who initiated this campaign and who have been so, I think it was a brilliant analysis, psychological analysis of the success of this campaign. Nobody wants to have the knock of London citizens at their door. We all know that it's more sensible to capitulate. Pay up, do the right thing. I'm going to see the CBI later on, you're absolutely right, I'm going to see the CBI later on this afternoon. I say to the CBI, do what the 432 businesses in London have already done. Pay up, pay the London living wage to your employers. They won't regret it, and above all, you won't regret it either. And I therefore have great pleasure in declaring, do I have to declare the new rate now? I do. I have great pleasure in declaring that after massive cogitation and deliberation at City Hall by all our supercomputers, feeding all the necessary, are we going to have the flashed up on the screen? How's this going to work? I'm just going to tell you. The new London living wage for the forthcoming year has been settled at £8.80p. Ladies and gentlemen, that is £8.80p. That is the Thank you. Thanks to each and every one of you who are involved in this project. Spread the word.